Hello, this is Matt DeYoung from BDS here to review the Genesis release highlights for April. Genesis had a total of 44 releases in April across four different release dates. As always, we'll cover some of the key ones, and all additional notes and information are available in the Resource Center. So first, starting with some release highlights that apply to everyone. We first have the agent ownership support for customer first callbacks. So teams can now enable agent ownership for customer first callbacks, simply allowing the system to reserve the original agent before dialing the callback. The enhancement specifically helps to maintain relationship continuity just by ensuring follow-up callbacks are handled by the same agent, supports automated dialing, call analysis, retry logic for the agent-owned callbacks as well, all of that. So additionally, with this release, the maximum duration an agent can own a scheduled callback has been increased from 7 days now to 30 days. So quite the increase there. Really just a solid enhancement that just further aligns the customer first callbacks with the existing agent first callback features. So great one there, especially if you utilize callbacks and specifically, the customer first callbacks. Next, and I know this is one a few of you have been asking for, and it's the permission conditions for screen recording access control. This update now allows admins to configure permission conditions to control access to screen recordings. The enhancement aligns the screen recording access with the existing interaction recording controls. It just enables admins to apply that same permission condition to both. So with this release, agents no longer are automatically granted access to their own screen recordings, and instead, organizations have to explicitly grant or restrict this access using the configurable permission conditions. So again, good one there if you are utilizing screen recordings and you want to kind of limit when and how agents maybe see those recordings. I know specifically that was applicable to just using some of the different QA, QM functionality and how screen recordings related to that. So hopefully a helpful one there. Next, we'll move into some of the updates on the AI front. The first one being the ability to generate guides from agent conversation transcripts. So teams can now automatically generate draft guides from real customer agent conversation transcripts within the Genesys AI Studio. This new feature simply analyzes transcripts from selected cues to create the structured kind of step-based guide drafts that reflect how agents really resolve customer issues. When using guides, this helps to just simply reduce the manual effort for automation designers by providing a first draft guide kind of based on an actual interaction and just simply enables faster and more accurate automation design as well. So really kind of a helpful one there, especially if you're using guides within AI Studio. And then also, we have the ability to see better performance data for Agent Copilot enabled agents. So this release allows supervisors now to view an Agent Copilot performance dashboard metrics, and that reflect the agents only using Agent Copilot when you're able to filter by the queue. So the metrics are calculated based on whether agents have Agent Copilot enabled and allow accurate comparison between agents with and without Agent Copilot. So really helpful one there just to see how effective agents who are using Agent Copilot are with Agent Copilot versus without. So neat one there. And then next, we have a kind of brand new Copilot released from Genesys, simply referred to as Genesys Copilot. So important to know, this is different than Agent Copilot. This one is Genesys Copilot. And as with all other AI tools from Genesys, the new Genesys Copilot utilizes the AI experience tokens. At the time of this recording, you receive 20 AI actions per token, and there's also no charge for Genesys knowledge queries as well. So kind of a helpful piece there. So what is Genesys Copilot? Well, ultimately can do a lot. But at the core level, and kind of moving into this first release note here, its purpose is to simply, skip forward a little second there. Its purpose is simply to enhance employee productivity across just overall access across the board. For admins, supervisors, agents, they can use Genesys Copilot to receive contextual guidance and complete tasks throughout the conversation through conversational AI. Genesys Copilot provides a role-based assistance within the Genesys Cloud UI, and that includes skills such as knowledge surfacing from the Now Resource Center and also support for common administrative tasks. The goal, again, is with this release is just to help users be more efficient and have easier, more quick access to relevant information directly within their kind of normal workflow. And then really all the remaining updates are specific to Genesys Copilot. And we'll keep on going here with this next one, which is the ability to perform multi-step user management tasks with Genesys Copilot, from onboarding permissions and skill assignments as well. Ultimately, teams can use Genesys Copilot to complete these complex multi-step management workflows within Genesys Cloud. The enhancement enables tasks such as creating users, assigning devices, updating permissions, and configuring skills to be performed in a single guided flow, ultimately just kind of reducing the context switching and the overall manual effort. The goal here is just to help improve the onboarding speed, overall operational efficiency, and reduce the risk of configuration errors by bundling related actions into just one simple streamlined process. So another kind of real neat and helpful one there. The next few, we have the WFM Time Off Assistant AI Agent. So this capability allows supervisors to use the WFM AI Time Off Assistant to approve and reject pending time off requests, as well as view limits and balances for agents also. The feature streamlines the time off management by just enabling, again, conversational interactions and automating those common tasks. And the assistant is designed to securely also handle any sensitive employee data as well. So obviously a key important piece there is the sensitivity around that. And Genesys has, of course, taken that into account. Next one, Agent Recognition Assistant, AI Agent. So this release also allows supervisors to use the Agent Recognition Assistant to quickly create and retrieve recognitions for agents using conversational prompts without navigating multiple screens. The feature just, again, leverages the Employee Engagement Recognitions API to streamline the recognition workflows, standardize the entries, and provide some inline validation and confirmation. So again, just another overall efficiency and time savings release with Genesys Copilot. And then finally, we have the ability to receive step-by-step guidance with Copilot, Genesys Copilot. Organizations can use the Genesys Copilot to receive the real-time step-by-step guidance for a lot of just kind of common configuration and management tasks within Genesys. The Agent Copilot provides, again, that context-aware instruction, references the Resource Center knowledge information, helps users to set up new users, manage permissions, configure queues, and monitor performance directly within the product as well. So again, just another enhancement to help streamline those complex workflows. So lots there, definitely something neat to explore. Of course, if you have any questions on Genesys Copilot or anything else that we either covered or didn't cover, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are more than happy to help. And as always, thanks so much for your partnership and thanks for watching. Have a good one.